To my channel. My name is Usaru and sis Sophia. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to be making an all-round fan auto gele, and for a start I'm going to be using this base. I already have a video on how you can make an auto gele base. You can go check it out. So I'll be starting up from making the fan. You can check out the video on how to make an auto gele base. I added more plates. I just added a few plates on the top of the base to make it a bit high. And now I'm going to add this piece of sego I cut out about 9 inches wide. You can see it, I cut it out. This is what I'm going to be using for the fan. It's about 9 inches wide and 40 inches long in length. You can make yours longer depending on how full you want your fan to be. So I'm using this 40 inches length to make the fan. And now I'm going to add this piece to the base. I put it on top of the plate I made. I'm going to use my needle and thread to stitch it on the plate. So guys, now you can see I've added the piece to the plate. You can see it's now firm. Now I will start printing. That's making the fan. I'll just fold it on top and pass the needle through the plate, maybe 2 or 3 plates. I'll take it up and pass the needle in between them and take it right back to make sure the fan is strong, like so. Then I'll make another one on top. That's how I'm going to do it. I'll fold again as if I'm printing, making prints. That's how we're going to make the fan. Make another one on top like this. I'll take it back again through 3 or more plates. Under the plate I'll return the needle. You can see it's coming up. I'll continue the process till I get to the other side of the base, to the other edge of the base. That's how I'm going to continue it. I'm taking the needle through the plate to make it neat, to make my work neat, so the sewing will not be visible. It will be hidden. That's why I'm taking in the needle through the plate, in between those plates. You can see it's a bit strong, but I'm pushing it through. This is the same process to make the auto gele with an ashoki. To make this with an ashoki, you need about 3 or 4 lines of ashoki to make this. It's very easy and simple to make. Just follow the steps and you achieve what you want. So guys, you can see the fan is gradually coming up. You can see the printing is growing and the fan is coming up. You can see it. I just need to finish making it to the other edge. So guys, this is the finished look. I've completed the fan making. You can see how it looks. It is beautiful. Wow, isn't it gorgeous? You can see how neat it is. You can see the thread. The thread didn't show. You cannot see the thread. You can see how beautiful it is. Thanks for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.